Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? It is still May the 30th, 2025, coming to you from international, global, galactic headquarters. Doing some videos today, did a few videos yesterday. And one of the things that I want to talk on this video is you can't doubt yourself. What do I mean by that? Once you've made a decision about anything, about a job, about a financial investment, no matter what it is, you need to have the conviction. Is this making any sense? You need to have the conviction to stand by your decision and not doubt yourself. Now, does that mean that every decision I've ever made, or Mrs. Crypto Mentor 99 and I have made, where I didn't doubt myself? Well, maybe a little bit, but you can't make a decision and then beat yourself up continually about it, especially if it didn't work out. This is the way I view failure. And some of you may agree, some of you may not agree. That's totally fine. There's a part of failure that is a great learning tool and learning opportunity. Dare I say the same thing is true with pain. Pain is a great motivator and a great tool if you use it in the right way to want to learn and better yourself. So, whether it's the job that you took and you figured out, you know what, this is not the job I should have took. Am I a loser? No, don't say that. Just view every opportunity as a stepping stone onto the next phase of your life, onto the next decision. I was talking to someone the other day, and man, there's so many decisions that I've made that at the time didn't seem like wise decisions. And then 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 5 year, 8 years later, I look back and go, man, that was a great idea after all. At the time, it didn't seem like it. I'm rambling. Anyhow, Crypto Mentor 99. Thanks for being a part of our crypto family. And let me know if you got any questions. CryptoMentor99@yahoo.com. CryptoMentor99@yahoo.com. Love y'all. Bye-bye.